How to use the Footlogix professional products in your pedicures. Cuticle softener. After soaking feet in Footlogix Foot Soak Concentrate, apply a small amount of Footlogix professional cuticle softener directly onto the cuticle and nail fold of each toe. Allow to absorb for 60 seconds for easy removal of excess debris. Cut the toenails, clean around the nails, in the groove, and under the free edge. Carefully remove all excess buildup of dead skin with pedicure implements. Shape the free edge, clean the cuticle area, and buff the nail plate. Reapply cuticle softener as needed. Gently wipe off any remaining skin debris with a towel. Do not rinse the foot with water, as the cuticle softener will continue to hydrate long after the pedicure is completed. Repeat the same process on the other foot. Should you have any questions relating to the techniques shown or any other Footlogix Pedicure products used, we welcome your inquiry.